Are you still doing the smell test? In this video, we'll show you how often you should be washing your clothes and linens. Socks, underwear, workout clothes, and anything white. You should wash everywhere. Yoga pants, leggings, dress tops, sweaters, shorts, khakis, and dresses. You should wash every 1 to 3 wears. Bras, pajamas, and bath towels. You should wash every 3 to 4 wears and uses. Jackets, sweatshirts, cardigans, and denim jeans. You should wash every 5 to 7 wears. Pillowcases and sheets should be washed ideally once a week. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.